Hey guys, Xachary here with another video. We are in Slade, Kentucky, visiting Natural Bridge. We are at the rest area at Slade Welcome Center. Actually, we are actually in front of an old train caboose on tracks, old tracks. It's not usable anymore. Let's go see if we can find anything interesting in it. See if we can. I know it has an air conditioner, guys. Like, is that not random? Just to have an air conditioner. So they have steps going up to it, so you don't have to do it. However, since it really isn't up, oh, it's really not that safe. I think you could go into it. It looks
1968 on the side of it.
1968. So you can see some, I think it's like a storage and a break area for employees. And for like all the little things that they have, the little booklets. So we're gonna go down here. My sister wants to see a reptile house, but we're gonna go see the visitor info, little hut. A little visitor info hut. Right over here.
And I hope you enjoy the natural beauty of the Appalachian Mountains. Season puts on a display of elaborate colors as our fall foliage peaks every October. In early spring, hundreds of thousands of redbud trees bloom alongside our highways, welcoming warmer weather.
Be bear aware. Whoa. We finally got to Natural Bridge, the lodge area. We went behind it. There's a trail back there. It's the original trail, as you can see on the side. Rustic. And gonna try and get up here. Could use a little fixer upper. Just a little one.
Alright. You can stop chatting.
Go left to right. Go left to right.
That's kind of slick, FYI. Yeah, and Bella is notorious for stopping.
Good thing I got a walking stick, that way you don't have to float. Walk the hard way. Have a walking stick. Go on through the water.
Hey, Natural Bridge. We're getting closer. And there's another one.
See the big spider? Oh, it disappeared.
I saw
It went around.
I saw that. It's on scared. Come on, let's go. This is a good spot on the trail.
might be a raspberry. Here.
Look at the hole.
Stone arch time.
AKA natural bridge.
Hush. Natural bridge time. Going around the easy way.
Picture time.
My sister's obsessed with pictures. You know. Let's go see. Up here. Just a giant stone arch formed over thousands of years. Then lots of fragile habitat.
Bridge.
Yeah.
Is this natural bridge? The bridge. Oh. Well, it's pretty.
Fragile habitat. Stay on trail.
Oh. Because I'm 5-year-old.
Keep moving, baby.
This is cool. Writing in the rock. Writing in the rock.
Yeah.
Called graffiti.
Illegal.
Yep.
We made it to the top of the.
Have you ever done like a big jump like that before?
It says scenic view bridge that way. You gotta let me follow that. Okay, the left one? Yeah. Thank you. Gosh, look how blue the sky is.
Go back.
Hey, Xachary.
You have a very long way down. I think let's start going back. That way. Border. Is it longer, Daddy?
It's longer.
You can go back the way it's going.
That is colorful, isn't it, Bella? Hey.
Can we do a selfie with all of us?
Yeah. Oh, there's people coming. They can go there. YouTube and pictures, baby.
Grease can really like crawled out of rocks. What? And it's not even science.
There's a fire skill trail. I just saw that flash trail. It's a female, but it's still.
So we survived. We came back down the same way. We went up essentially. We got a little more in. We went a little different path, but we really didn't get much, so we didn't do much recording then. So, peace.